This is all the equipment that it come in the box. It have all these pieces over here. This one, little this, stencils. The machine with the cable. They have little discs and the disc with the part that you have to screw it to put it in here. And you have the one with sand to cut. Every time that you want to put a part to like this, like you can pull out whatever one you want. You put it in there, push the button. You're gonna turn and click, and it's secure. When you put it out, you're gonna push the button, turn, you hear the click, and it come out. The machine itself do not have so much power when you're working. Sometimes it stops if you make a lot of pressure. But if you take your time and do it slowly, it works really fine. This is the one that I did with the stencil. It comes with a little pen that you have to carve the glass first. Let's see if I can find it right now. This pen over here, you can mark the glass. I'm going to use this one over here that I have so you can see. They cut the glass this. I don't think you can see it over here. This one. The pen. Cut the glass like that. And you can use it with your stencils. You put the stencil on the glass and you can mark in there.
I love it. But the cord is just way too short. I can't work in my office with this. Don't have no electric things on the desk. But yes, it comes with a lot of beautiful things that you can play with. But it's just the cord. It's just If I can just get a longer cord. Can't work like that.
So the kit is nice. It comes with everything. It came with everything it said it would. The only issue I have is this rusty thing right here. I haven't used it yet. Oh, it has a good power to it. Pretty good power to it. Yeah, so that's my only issue right there.